Yeah, man, it's your boy 420, man. I work up here. You know what I'm saying? Keep it PG like my boy said. It's 4-Dub.
Yeah.
You feel me? That mixtape out, man.
Yup.
Ghetto Love Songs Volume 2. My album Living Legend coming out, you feel me?
Yeah.
Watch over all my niggas out the bay, man.
Yeah. That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it,
Hold
man.
up. I'm talking Mastermind. Look out for my Mastermind boys. Look out for Lexadoma. Look for my boy Jolato. Watch out for all of us, bruh. We going live, man. It's the Bay Area, you feel me? Look for all my homies, man. Black boys, where you at? Richmond in this thing. You feel me? Oakland in this thing. North Oakland in this thing. We all in this thing, man. We in Hayward. We in Hayward right now, man. Hey, throw the stack up. But this is the old school, honey. The old school funk, though. This funk, yeah, but they say this Hayward, though. But it's good, though, man. It's your boy 420, man. From the Richmond to the Bay, from Bay to the Trey, homie.
Yeah, that's what it starts.